Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a customized menu with drop down in your WordPress website. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you'll get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. So this is the current look of my test website. This is just a dummy website that I created for tutorial purposes. So this is the current look. This is the menu. So we are talking about this menu. So now I want to, if you see this menu, we only have 4 menu. In your own case, your own business, you might want to have like 20 to 30 menu, and if you put all of them here, this place is going to be somehow bad, not looking good. So I'll show you how you can structure it, and when people come here, they are going to find your menu. Now, why do you need to structure your menu? When you structure your menu and organize it very well, it will help visitors to navigate to your website very and find whatever they are looking for. And it will also make your website to look professional. Like now, this 4 menu is good, looking professional. But in your own case, you might have more than 4 menus. So that is why you need to do what? To structure your menu. So now, you don't need any plugin for this. Just come to your WordPress dashboard, come to appearance, then you click on menu. You just click on menu, then that is where we are going to start the adding more menu. Now maybe you want to add, maybe you don't have that particular page, you have another website, external website, and you want to link the menu to your main website. I'm going to show you how to link it to the main website. So now let's get started. Now this is not this is not our main menu, so I already have a lot of pages on this particular website. So now the menu we are using on the other side is this particular one. So let's check if it is it. So let's select it. So this is the menu we are currently using here. So now I will show you how to structure this particular menu. Now if you check, let's assume this particular pages, these are my pages. So these are my pages. You already know how to create pages, and you already know how to create categories. So now maybe you want to add them, and if you come, these are my categories. So I don't have any category. I have one category, post category, then I have a product category. I have only one product category, uncategorized. Now I want to add all my pages to this particular place. Now what I'm going to do is I'll view all the pages. I want to structure it very well. Now I'll view all the pages, then let's mark all of them and add them to the page and add them to this particular menu. Then add to menu. You can click here to mark all of them at once. You see now, watch now. I want to show you something. Let's save this menu. I save this particular menu. You see what I'm trying to show you now. We'll come back to the website and reload it. So let's reload our website and you see what I'm trying to show you. You can see this is not good. It's not good at all. It's not good. So now watch what is going to happen. Now when I come to home page, I want the only menu I want to see here is home page, about us. So I drag this one down. About us is 2, but let us just leave it as 2. Then I want to have contact us. I want to have it. Then let me then that's all. So now what I want to do now is then I want to have, let's say, privacy policy. Now when people come to home, they need to see, let's say they need to see my account. So you drag this particular account, make sure that it's called sub item. Once it is written sub item, then leave it there. Then when somebody come to home, also the person will see, let's assume you want the person to see checkout. So now you do what? You make this checkout a sub item. Then you want let's say this particular contact form also is you name it another thing. So now it come over here, make sure it is called sub item. Then when people come to about us, they are going to see blog, then they are going to see checkout, then they are going to see offerings. You get the idea. You know what you want to show them. So I'm just using this thing to show you example. Then when people come to contact us, they are going to see privacy policy, they are going to see shop, they are going to see shop, they are going to see offerings, they are going to see offerings, and I think they are what, 1, 2, 3. Then let's bring about us now. They are going to see this page, they are going to see this page, and they are going to see this page. Now let's save this menu. You understand? So let's save this menu. You have just succeeded in creating a drop down. Now let's refresh our website. You have just succeeded in creating a drop down. So now let's refresh our website. Now you can see now we have a well structured website. So you can see now this is the drop down. Users can now go through this. This is a drop down. Users can now go through this. This is a drop down. Users can now go through this. This is a drop down. Users can now go through this. You can see it now. This is how you can create a drop down. You can see how I just created the drop down. Now if you don't know how to create your menu from scratch, you just come over here now. Just come over here now, create menu. You click on create menu, you create a new menu. If you want to create a new, you don't know how to, you want to create a new menu, you just here now. You don't need to select anything here now. You come here now, maybe let's say write it footer. Okay, so let's just write it footer. I want to use this for footer menu. Then you select, let's say you want to make it primary, or you want to make it display as primary, or you make it as footer menu. Then you click on what, create menu. So you click on create menu. So that is how you can create a menu. Then once you create this menu, it is time to add menu. There's nothing inside this. So for you to add anything inside this menu, you do what, you come over here, you click on, you select the pages that you want to appear in this menu, in your pages or your posts that you want to appear there. Once you click on add to menu, so you can see add to menu. Then you can see this menu now has a menus inside it. Then you click on save now. You click on save now. So that is how you can do what, you can do what, you can save the menu. So now for you to use it in your main menu, you do what, select it, then you come over here, you set it as primary, then you save it. Now once you save it, the next thing you are going to see now is that if you refresh our website now, let's refresh our website. Let's refresh. Okay, it's not showing up yet. So let's come back here and see what happened. Primary menu. So yes, that is what we did. It is primary menu. So and it is primary menu supposed to show. Let's check our website again. It's supposed to show up here. So it's supposed to show up immediately. In case you created a new menu, let us check it in incognito mode and see what happened. So let's check in incognito mode. New incognito, let's see what happened, because it's the new menu. If you didn't show, but that is how you can add it. So trying to load the incognito mode. Okay, no problem. So let's see it. I know why it is not appearing. That particular menu was designed using a header footer, so I have to go to the header footer elements to do what, to change it. So if it is not appearing, that is the reason. So but if you are using default WordPress menu, WordPress theme menu, it will just take effect immediately. So I will show you what I mean. So it's still showing, it's not showing up. So let me just show you what I mean. So this particular menu was designed by header footer. So we are going to go to header footer to change it. So if we don't change it in header footer, we cannot. If you don't change it in header footer, we cannot do what? It cannot change. So I'll show you where to change, where I can change it. If you are using the same, so if you are using Elementor, if you use the Elementor to design header footer, you go to Elementor to change your header menu. So, but if you use default WordPress theme, this part once you do what I did right now and save it, it will automatically appear in your current your primary menu. It will automatically appear there. So now you can see how you now what if you want, maybe you have another website and you want to create some menus to link to another website, or you have a website that you partner with and you want to create some menu to link to them. So what you're going to do, and you want to add it to your menu, so what you're going to do is you come to custom link, you click on custom link, you can see it now. You add your URL to that website. So in my own case, I'm going to add hash because I'm just giving you example. Then take for instance, let's check. I have some pages written down already, so let me just copy one of them and show you what I'm trying to show you, what I'm trying to say. So let's take for instance, you want to link to a testimony page. Okay, let's say a pricing plan of one of your websites. So let's copy this pricing plan, copy it, you come back here now. This is the text that it will show up. You just paste it. Make sure that this link is leading to that particular page you're talking about. Then click on add to menu. Now once you add to menu, then you scroll down, you can see it here now. You save menu. Once you save this menu now, it will now appear here. Let's save it. Let's save it. So now it has been saved. So now let's go to our home page and refresh. Let's refresh our home page. You can see now the pricing plan come out here. So when people click on it, they will now go to that particular page you link to it. So you can equally use structure other products as a drop down. You already know how to get your drop down, so you can structure other products as a drop down. So now let me head over and show you how to change. If maybe you watched my previous video, on how to create a custom menu, so using the element kit. So and you want to create another menu here and change it. So this is where you can change it. Just find element kit. We are using element kit for this, so we use the element kit. So you see it here. Come to header footer. So you come to header footer, then let's change it there. So you come to header footer, you click on it. So once your element kit load, then you come to header, you click on edit, or you can click already, because you have worked with Elementor, you just click on edit with Elementor here now. You click on edit with Elementor, or you click on edit. If you didn't find it, then you click on edit content. It will now edit it with Elementor. That is where we are going to be able to change that particular menu. So now let's wait for it to load. So once Elementor page loads, then you click on this particular menu section. You click on it for you to edit it. You click on it. You can see now where what we selected here is main menu. So you now click here. You select that one we created, footer. So once you select it now, it will change. This is where you can be able to change your menu if you are using Elementor to do what, to create your header, to create your menu. If you use the Elementor to create your website header, you are going to use this particular way to edit it, especially if you use the Elementor header elements kit that I taught in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, the link will be in the description. Go and check it out. So you can see that the menu changed. So if you do any editing in your main menu, make sure you come over here to change it. Maybe you created a menu. So now let's recap and see what we have achieved so far in this video. We have created menu, we have been able to create a custom menu, and we have been able to create a drop down menu. So if I should advise you, I will tell you that you should keep your menu simple, just 4, 5 or 6 menu, then the rest should be a drop down, so that your website will be structured very well. So now, did you find this video helpful? Have you created a menu before, or this is your first time creating a menu? Now, if you want to watch how I create this menu with Elementor, the link to the video will be in the description also. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification so that when I drop a future video you will not miss it. So if you have found any of my video helpful, and you have found any of my video helpful, so if you find any of my video helpful, you can consider supporting this channel. This is our fan support page, so the link to this page will be in the description. So you can come over here, click on tip, and you can do what? Click on tip. Once you click on it, you return to this page. Make it a monthly or one-time gift. You can drop a note, or you can leave anything. You can leave it empty and do what? Click on tip. Thank you for that. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for your gift. Thank you for your sharing this video. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for sharing my video. All these things are what motivate me to create more content, free content. Thank you for that. Then if you need any of my services, you need a one-on-one website audit, SEO audit, security audit, the link to book the session will be in the description. And if you need the done for you services, the link to book it will be in the description. Also check the description for playlist on important videos that you haven't watched in this channel, so that you can go and watch it and do what, and share your own opinion. So if you find any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. I reply to any comment. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.